Hey, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to block a word on X. So open X application on your phone, tap your profile picture in the top left, then scroll down to Settings and Privacy, find section Privacy and Safety, go to Mute and Block section, and finally go to Muted Words. So here at the bottom you want to tap Add button, and now type the word, the hashtag or phrase, whatever that you want to block. Let me type, for example, politics, and now I want to pick where it should be muted. So it could be muted from home timeline or notifications, or you can select both, from anyone or from people you don't follow, and also choose for how long you want to mute it. It could be forever, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. And finally, when you are ready, tap Save button in the top right, and it's basically done. Posts with this word will not show up in your feed or your search results on X. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.